Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be decorating a custom spread for Dawn, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. So Dawn, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a rainbow themed spread. So I have rainbow basics from KellofaPlan, and then I have some rainbow sticker books from Live Love Posh. So I'm going to do like a Roy G. Biv kind of spread. She requested the KellofaPlan planner pages since she uses this planner from KellofaPlan. All right, so I already started pulling some florals because it's going to be like a florally spread with, of course, like function. So I was thinking of putting them in the middle, maybe. I'm trying to figure out how I want to. Yeah, I think I do want to do it in the middle. I haven't done like a middle kind of spread in a bit, so we'll see how I can group these together. Okay, we got pink, which I know in like the classic Roy G. Biv, pink isn't in there, but I got pink, so I'm tossing it in there. Then we have orange. So we got an orange one here. Boy. Yellow is next. Like second guessing how I did this. Okay, we'll do yellow there. And then we have green, which will go here, and then blue, and then purple. Blue. I think this way is better. And the last one is purple. I'm gonna cut this off. Alright, perfect. I think since I cut that off like that, I'm gonna cut this off as well, just to make it like match on this side. Pretty, so pretty. All right, so those are all the stickers I pulled. Now I'm gonna go into the function part. So again, I have rainbow basics from KellofaPlan, and I already used some of these apparently. Okay, I was thinking of doing black. It's usually what I've done in the past, is like I'll do black over here. Okay, do these habit trackers fit? Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna do a couple here. They kind of fit. I think they're meant to go in the boxes, but I'm just gonna stick it here, and then I can cut this off, like trim it off. Okay, perfect. I put this so crooked. I can't put things down straight. But one nice thing is this planner page. Oh, the paper that Heather used in her planner is really like really good paper. High quality, very thick. So I don't think I'm gonna have issues with pulling stickers and then it ripping. in this planner. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this side black since that's not like what their color is. And then this side will be the colored part. Okay, so I have these boxes here. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I think I might layer some boxes on top. Okay, for red, but I'm gonna keep the colors like pretty, like spot on in each section. I'm gonna grab some of these little dots, put a few dots. I like to do it a little off center too, because it gives a little bit more room for writing. Okay, so there are the, or maybe what I should do, something that Heather does. I've seen her do this, which I have never done. So, I know Heather cuts off her dots. Let me do that. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Cool. That works. Okay, so let me grab a pink box now. Pink, pink, pink. Where's pink? Okay, here's pink. I have two pinks. So I have this pink. I think I'll prefer this pink over this pink. So I'm gonna do bigger box. I think this one will just go here. I might like alternate these a little bit, and then 2 more dots, and kind of do the same thing over here. I know I can cut them and then put them down. That's one way to do it. I think I prefer this way, to be honest. So I'm just gonna take the time to do it this way. But you could totally cut it in half and then put it on. And then you can save these too if you want to use those for another spread. Okay, that one I cut a little crooked, but that's okay. All right, looking good so far. Now we're on to orange. Orange, orange. Okay, this orange, yeah, that'll work, because it's like a light orange. Let's see, let's see. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do a little overlapping of these, like that, with the orange. And then over here, let's do another box. There. And then I can do a yellow, kind of the same way. Whoa, that's a bright yellow. I think that yellow is a little bright. Okay, let me move to this one. Ooh, these are bright too. Yikes. Really? Okay, I guess I'm going with bright yellow. It's like super yellow. We'll see how this looks. No, actually it doesn't look bad. Okay, so yellow, and then I'm going to do, okay, this time I'll cut it in half. Let's see how cutting it in half. Hi. Sorry, that was loud. Honestly, I think I prefer putting it down first and then cutting it, but at least this way I can get 2 out of 1 instead of using 2. Actually, that didn't turn out so bad. Okay, so cutting it is a little bit easier. I got new scissors and they're non-stick, so they don't, that's the only negative about these, is that my stickers don't stick to the edge. They're just like fly off onto the page, so that's fun, but it's all good. Let's see, I think this looks nice, and then I'll grab some other stickers, maybe like headers and stuff. All right, onto green. Let's see what kind of green is in here. Ooh, I like this green. All right, so what did I do? I have these. I think I want to put a smaller box. Let's layer it this way a bit. And then I'll do 2 dots down here. Try to catch it. Okay. So 1 and 2. Cool. Now on to blue. Blue is, oh, this is dark. Oh no, this is good blue. Okay. Blue. Blue. And then the dot. Sorry. No, that's probably loud. Ah. I can't grab it. Okay, let me put this one down first. Alright. Blue. Oops, perfect. And then last is purple. Purple. Pretty. Nice purple. I think this book is still available if you're interested in purchasing. I'll have all this linked down in the description. Okay, yeah, I did like, although I don't like 2 boxes there. Okay, I was gonna do another box, but I think instead I'm just gonna do the bullet points. I fell. Actually, don't know where I went. Oh, there it is. Okay. Cool. So 1 and 2. Cool. Pretty. That looks really nice. Okay. I like it a lot. I want to change up this note section to this week's focus. So I'll fit this here. Okay, and then I think I want to take some of these black bullet points. Trying to decide if I want to cut them. Let's see if I cut them, how that would look. Okay, I'm just gonna put them like this. Okay, where'd it go? I think I lost it. Unless I got like stuck on something. I don't know. Probably when I edit this video, I'll realize where it went. Where did it go? Oh, yeah, it came onto close to me. I found it. Okay. I kind of like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a couple more. So I need 1, 2, just one more. I'm gonna cut one more. So I have like 4 little dots. I lost it again, jeez. It's just, it's so funny. Okay, where did it go? No. I'm telling you, I love these scissors because they get, like, they really are non-stick, and I love that, but my stickers are flying everywhere. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Jeez. Couldn't tell that it was there. Okay, this is the last one. Perfect. All right, so that looks good on that side. I feel like all I need are just a couple of like quotes and maybe some circle. Ooh, I have the perfect book. Hopefully it'll match some of these colors. All right, rainbow sticker book, the new rainbow sticker book from the Happy Planner. So let's see, this pink. Do I want to mix pinks? Okay, maybe not that one. Let's see the red. I'm mainly looking for like quotes though. I like this circle sticker, but it's clear. Like, why does it have to be clear? I'm just gonna stick it there. Okay, let's see if I can find another circle sticker or a decorative sticker. There's a quote. Kind words cost nothing. Let's stick that there. All right, moving on to yellow. See, this is the yellow I was looking for, like a pale yellow like that. That's a good yellow. Let's do... Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Then green, ooh, that's a perfect green. Let's see, I'll do this today. I really don't like that these are clear. Okay, that's the today sticker. Okay, that's the wrong kind of blue. Oh, the blue is definitely not gonna be an option. Purple. It's a very light purple. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this Chase Your Dreams. So I think that's pretty. Okay. Cool. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I actually want to put maybe a couple of headers on some of these boxes. So I'm going to go back to Live Love Posh because she has headers here. So I think these match pretty good. So I think I'll be able to find some good matches for these. Okay, so that wants us to do, go to the orange book. Okay. Okay, let's see what orange will look good. Okay, I gotta get it done. Or should I do the yellow? Let me see yellow. I think I should do yellow because I don't have anything on yellow. Okay. I'm gonna do important. This one. Okay, blue doesn't have anything. So maybe I can do blue. Maybe a tasks. Okay, I think that is gonna be it. All right, so that is gonna be my spread for Dawn. Dawn, I hope you enjoy your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you all in the next one.